Replacing a door in your West Columbia home can significantly enhance your property's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're upgrading your front entry door or replacing a patio door, a door replacement project can be an exciting home improvement. However, like any home renovation, the process requires careful planning and consideration to ensure it's done correctly. If you're planning to replace a door in your West Columbia home, understanding what to expect throughout the project will help you feel more confident and prepared. In this article, we'll guide you through the steps involved in a door replacement project and provide helpful tips to ensure a smooth, stress-free experience. Initial consultation and door selection. The first step in your door replacement project is to schedule an initial consultation with a professional door installation company. This is where you'll discuss your needs, style preferences, and the type of door you want to install. Door style and material. Your door installer will help you choose from a variety of styles and materials. Common options include wooden doors, fiberglass doors, steel doors, and vinyl doors. The material you choose will affect the door's appearance, energy efficiency, durability, and security features. For example, fiberglass doors are known for their energy efficiency, while steel doors offer extra security. Energy efficiency. If you're looking to improve your home's insulation, ask about energy-efficient doors with low E glass and insulated cores. These features help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing your energy bills. During this consultation, the installer will also assess your existing door and its frame to ensure that it is compatible with the new door you've selected. Scheduling the installation. Once you've selected the door and agreed on the project details, the next step is scheduling the installation. Professional installers will typically give you an estimated time frame for the job. The exact duration of the project can depend on several factors, such as the type of door being replaced, whether any structural modifications are needed, and the weather conditions. Preparation. Before the installation team arrives, you may need to clear the area around the door. Move any furniture, decorations, or items that may obstruct access to the door. If your current door has a storm door or screen door, the installation crew may need to remove those as well. Door frame assessment. If the existing frame is damaged or improperly aligned, your installer may need to make adjustments or repairs before fitting the new door. This may add extra time to the project. The door installation process. On the day of the installation, the professional installers will arrive with all the necessary tools and materials to remove your old door and install the new one. Here's what you can expect during the actual installation process. Removal of the old door. The first step in the installation is the removal of your old door. The installers will carefully remove the door from its frame and assess the condition of the frame and surrounding structure. If any repairs or adjustments are needed, they will address them before proceeding. Installation of the new door. The new door is carefully placed in the frame. The installers will check the alignment to ensure the door fits properly. Once the door is in place, they will secure it with high-quality screws or fasteners, ensuring it operates smoothly. For entry doors, the installers will typically add weather stripping to improve energy efficiency and seal out drafts. Adjustment and finishing touches. The final step is adjusting the door for proper function. This includes checking the door's operation to ensure it opens and closes easily, making any necessary adjustments to the locks, handles, or hardware, and ensuring that the door is properly sealed. The installer will also clean up the area, removing any debris from the old door in the installation process. Post-installation inspection. After the installation is complete, the installers will walk you through the door's features and check that everything is functioning as it should. They'll explain how to maintain your new door, such as how to clean and care for its surface and how to adjust the hardware if necessary. They may also provide information about warranties and how to contact them if you experience any issues with the door. If you've chosen an energy-efficient door, they may highlight specific care tips to maximize its insulation benefits. This might include checking the weather stripping for wear and tear, ensuring that the door's seal remains intact, and avoiding any obstructions around the door that could affect its performance. Cleanup and final review. Once everything is in place and functioning properly, the installers will clean up the installation area, leaving your home looking tidy and ready to enjoy. You should have a chance to review the completed work, ensuring you're satisfied with the results. If you notice any issues or concerns, now is the time to address them before the installers leave. Conclusion. Enjoy your new door. Replacing the door in your West Columbia home can have a significant impact on both its appearance and functionality. By choosing a professional installation service, you can rest assured that your door will be installed correctly and securely, enhancing your home's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. With careful planning, clear communication with the installer, and attention to detail, your door replacement project will go smoothly from start to finish. Whether you're looking to update the look of your home or improve its insulation, a new door is an investment that can provide long-lasting benefits. So, prepare your home for the installation, choose the best door for your needs, and enjoy the improved comfort and value it brings to your West Columbia home.